Future of Gadgets, 15 Cutting-Edge Innovations of 2023. 1. Quantum Computing Device. Experience the revolution of computing with our quantum device, solving complex problems exponentially faster than traditional computers, ushering in a new era of data processing and cryptography. 2. Holographic Smartphone. Step into the future with our holographic smartphone, projecting 3D images, videos, and interactive interfaces, offering a truly immersive mobile experience. 3. Neuralinked VR/AR glasses. Explore virtual and augmented reality like never before with glasses that interface directly with your brain, enabling seamless interaction and heightened realism. 4. AI-enhanced robotic assistant. Meet your AI-powered robotic companion that learns, adapts, and assists in daily tasks, revolutionizing home automation and personalized assistance. 5. Biometric Wearable Translator. Break language barriers with our wearable translator that instantly converts speech, sign language, and text, facilitating seamless communication across the globe. 6. Self-healing smartphones. Say goodbye to cracked screens and damaged components with smartphones that automatically repair minor damages, increasing device longevity and sustainability. 7. Eco-friendly air purifier. Breathe cleaner air with our sustainable air purifier that uses nanotechnology to remove pollutants, allergens, and pathogens, promoting a healthier living environment. 8. Next-gen electric vehicle. Drive into the future with our electric vehicle boasting extended range, rapid charging, and autonomous capabilities, transforming transportation for a greener world. 9. Mind-controlled prosthetics. Empower amputees with our mind-controlled prosthetics, offering precise motor control and sensory feedback, improving quality of life and independence. 10. Quantum.OLED TV. Experience unparalleled visual brilliance with our Quantum.OLED TV, delivering breathtaking colors, deep contrast, and energy efficiency, redefining home entertainment. 11. Biometric Smart Home Lock. Secure your home with our biometric smart lock, granting access through fingerprints, facial recognition, and voice commands, ensuring top-notch security. 12. AI-integrated kitchen appliances. Elevate your culinary skills with AI-powered kitchen appliances that offer personalized recipes, precise cooking times, and waste reduction, making every meal a masterpiece. 13. Portable eco-power generator. Harness clean energy on the go with our portable generator, utilizing solar, wind, and kinetic energy to charge gadgets and support outdoor adventures sustainably. 14. Hyperloop Transport System. Embark on high-speed travel with our Hyperloop system, propelling passengers at incredible speeds within vacuum tubes, revolutionizing long-distance transportation. 15. Smart Bioimplants. Embrace the era of smart implants with biocompatible devices that monitor health, administer medications, and restore bodily functions, reshaping healthcare as we know it. Welcome to the extraordinary world of 2023, where innovation knows no bounds. These 15 groundbreaking gadgets showcase the pinnacle of technological progress, transforming the way we live, interact, and experience the world around us.